So question, saya dah follow konten abang dari tahun lepas, bagus untuk motivation, tapi kadang tu terasalah juga bila cakap pasal property. Saya dah kerja 2 tahun kat Bangsa, tapi gaji masih lagi 4,500. Bayar sewa, bayar kereta, bayar internet, semua tahu-tahu dah habis dah. Rasa bukan saya seorang je macam ni. Macam mana bang?
Your first property should be something yang you boleh sewakan, right? So if you are talking about Bangsa is a location where it's not too difficult to find people who can rent from you, right? So I don't know which part of my content is motivational because I selalu bantai orang kan, so I don't think it's motivational. I think I'm quite real lah. If you are first time home buyer, number one, there's so many options you can buy tanpa modal, right? You can buy zero down, right? So today the cheapest property we are buying dekat area Bangsa is 340,000, right? And you buy zero down payment and you with 400,000 500,000 punya loan capability, you can get roughly about 80,000 to 100,000 cash out. So I would argue macam ni lah Zul, you should buy property yang macam tu, yang saya cakap tu, supaya you boleh guna cash out tu untuk settlekan you punya car loan. Or macam saya cakap tadi tu, pergi beli rumah 3 bilik, 4 bilik, jauh sikit pada Bangsa because tak ada Bangsa property 4 bilik 3 bilik ni yang boleh beli pada harga 400-500 ribu, so you have to go further away, right? So but you can take LRT, right, to go to Bangsa. You know, there's one property that we are buying, dia jauh sikit, but it's in Puchong. But that property we are buying at 20% discount. Rumah 3 bilik, 400,000+ saja. You can convert to become 4 bilik. And most likely, you boleh duduk one of the room tu for free and disewakan dari 3 tu. Sebab rumah tu dekat dengan LRT. LRT Putra lagi. Boleh pergi ke Bangsa. Right? So, it's gonna be things that macam tu yang you boleh beli. So, you boleh beli rumah, boleh dapat cash, boleh guna cash tu untuk settlekan kereta. And you dapat duduk for free. So, kereta tak perlu nak bayar, sewa bilik tak perlu nak bayar. And rumah tu tak perlu modal pun untuk you beli. Right? So those are the things that you want to do. So